Right, I've come out to have a look at this old Fiat dozer. I think it's 451C. The owner isn't too sure. The owner inherited it from his grandfather. He reckons last time he tried to get it going, it wasn't getting fuel through the fuel pump, so there could be a problem with that. Oh yeah, it looks like it's got some loose bolts in there. Okay, so it's been apart. I think, is that a dipstick? Yep. Oh yeah. It's got corrosion in there. That doesn't look too healthy actually. I can see down in there there's quite a bit of corrosion, so that's not a good sign. I think the fuel pump would have to be stripped down and cleaned or repaired. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to be an easy one. Those are loose as well, I think. Yeah, so they've obviously tried to get it going and failed. I think that's the fuel pump, is it? Yeah. I feel like it might even need a new fuel pump, given how much corrosion there is in that bottom end. That's the Fiat PES4 A60B410 L4-16. Yeah, she looks like she's been sitting for a few years. Those tracks are pretty worn out as well. It's got a cap over the exhaust, that's a good sign. The hoses are pretty rusty. And it's got the hydraulic tank is open as well, so that's not great. That'll have water in it. It's got a PTO belt drive on the back there. Yeah, a bit of a mission. It needs a lot of work. Oh, wasps. Big wasp nest there. Ready to attack me. These hoses are in a bad way. The rams look alright though, it's all not too rusty. Good sized bucket on the front of it. What have we got in here? She's got oil. Plenty of oil. Don't want to get too close to those wasps. They're ready to have a go at me. Cool looking old dozer. Got hydraulic takeoff at the front there. That looks like it's actually open. So that'll have water in it as well. Okay, so the whole hydraulic system will need to be flushed out. about probably 3 tonne, maybe 3 or 4 tonne with that bucket on. Oh, more wasps all over it. So it's going to require a lot of work by the look of it. He said it's for sale if I can get it going, but I would have to get it going up here and drive it out because the hill is so steep. I wouldn't get my trailer up here, and the fact that so much needs doing to it, it's a bit of a hassle having to drive up here to work on it. More wasps under there. And there's no water in the radiator. That looks to be dry as a bone. Oh, look at those wasps. Everywhere, man. Damn, they are everywhere. I'm going to have to bring my bee suit out as well. As soon as I spray them, they're going to be all over me. It's going to be days of work, I think, getting this running. And then all the bits I'd have to replace to get it usable. I'll have a think about it anyway. It would be a fun little dozer if I could get it running, but there's just so much that needs to be done. And the fact that I can't drag it out of here to work on it at home makes it more difficult. Cool property, got lots of goodies down here. He said most of the stuff here is for sale. A crane on the back, that's in a similar state by the look of it. You know. I believe that's for sale as well. It could be worth having a go with as well. What do you guys reckon? Worth coming back with a can of fly spray and some tools?